Hello, it's Mike Grady from Business Fuel Tools, and I'm answering the question of the week. So the question we got was, what advice and examples do I have for successful video marketing? And the short answer is use Billy Maizes format, which is proven to generate sales. The best video format is product demonstrations. See, what I do is I create demonstration videos for anything I'm trying to promote, whether it's a website or a product or a service or affiliate offers, doesn't matter. What helps conversion is people buy from people. Video gives people the ability to see you, hear you, and develop a trust with you, just like they were talking to you face to face. This is the format that I have found converts best and makes sales. Take notes. 1. What is the name of the product or service you're demonstrating? What is this product or service? What's the number one biggest benefit this product or service offers? What is the biggest pain this product or service eliminates? What is the biggest payoff that a buyer or a user will get? What's the number one usual alternative people think of when trying to accomplish what this product or service does? What critical points or steps do you want to cover as you explain or show the product? What is all the stuff your customer doesn't need anymore when they buy the product that you're demonstrating? What I do is I make a bullet point list of 3 or 4 things that people don't need anymore. What's the price of your product? That's critical. What's an alternative way to express or compare the cost of your product to another thing that they might be currently doing? How fast can people see results once they buy the product? And why should they grab it right now? Of course, what's your guarantee, like a 30-day guarantee? What's your call to action? What do you want them to do next, like buy the product? I use this demonstration format to create amazing demonstration videos for products and services that tick all the boxes that leave the prospect saying, I want this now. This format makes it easy to follow a proven formula that has sold billions and billions of dollars on TV, online, just about everywhere. I use this formula for my own products, affiliate products, lead generation offers, and a ton more things. If you can show and tell the product, this formula makes it super easy to just spin pure gold. To supercharge your videos, put them on a landing page that offers your prospect a lead magnet and captures the email. Then you can create, and once you have the emails, you can give them more information via video. So, because we know that 3% of the people buy a product the first time they see it. 80% of all sales happen between the 5th and the 8th time you communicate with somebody. So what you want to do is capture that email and then follow up by providing more and more value. So I hope this answer helps, and this is how we actually use video marketing, and then we use that to capture the email so we can follow up with them later with more videos and more products and more offers. So I hope this helps your business. Now go out, take action, create some demonstration videos, put them on a landing page, and start collecting your email list. Have a great day.